Hi!
Hello!
Hi! So, for this episode, what I want us to discuss is something that we've both thought of,
Yeah.
something that is a very human experience.
Oo naman.
In different facets, pwedeng in business, pwedeng in romance, pwedeng in
Sibling
family.
family
Wala
pwede
akong
rin.
pinipiling
Correct.
relasyon.
Correct.
Okay.
Pero today, yung i-discuss lang natin is between romantic relationships.
Okay. And maganda tong i-discuss dahil ang daming layers ng puot
Yes.
na nadadala ng revenge.
Yeah.
I want to talk about revenge because it's such a human experience and
Yeah.
no one is exempt from it.
Oo
Hindi ako
naman.
naniniwala sa taong magsasabi na, hindi, never ko naisip na kahit konti, ayaw mo
Hindi,
gumante.
pero may mga tao kasi talagang mas subdued, ganyan.
Hindi mo naman kailangan gawin naisip mo lang.
Sure, the temptation is real.
I think it's such a
Yeah.
legit human experience.
Welcome to Raw and Real, the podcast where truth wears no filter. Hosted by identical twins Dana and Stacy. The same fearless energy that defined plump.ph is back, now with deeper accountability. At the peak of the body positivity wave, they hit a hard truth. Being fat isn't brave, being fat isn't healthy, and body positive isn't the whole story. Preaching self-acceptance while eating in denial, saying I'm fine except me, wasn't honest, and it wasn't helping. At the height of wokeism, between 2016 to 2020, as the faces of the body positivity movement, they completed over 100 podcast episodes on Spotify. Now they're back, but this time on PGMN, not just with their brand, but with clarity. Born from a lifetime of twinhood, Raw and Real invites you into the unfiltered world of two women who've lived, fought, and flourished together through body shaming, cultural expectations, healing, and radical honesty. Expect real talk about what we usually hide: shame and joy, jealousy and softness, strength and sex, the systems we live in, and the stories our bodies carry. Each episode strips away performance, leaving something deeper: connection. No scripts, no pretenses, just two women speaking their truth, sometimes with serious gravity, often with blazing hilarity, and holding space for yours. This is Raw and Real. Tune in, unpack, unlearn, come as you are.
So, sige. In the context na you wanna present, ano ang revenge na pwede between, I'm sure, lalo na sa mga married couple, kahit pa sabihin mong
Ayun
kasal
nga.
na yan.
Hindi. Tsaka I remember someone sent you this particular story which we will be tackling later on.
Kaya siya na-trigger.
Oo, kaya parang na-intrigue din ako na like revenge in relationships, lalo na sa bagong break, di ba? Marami diyang gustong mag-seek ng revenge. And for valid reasons, I must say.
say. Meron
So,
naman talaga.
Since na-peak ang aking curiosity about this,
Spell peak.
P-I-C-K.
Sige,
Excuse me.
Sige, huwag
It's
na natin.
P-I-Q-U-E. Spelling bee champion ako nung grade 3, excuse me.
Oo nga, I agree. Okay, fine.
So anyway, so it got me thinking like, ano nga ba yung ways na people seek revenge in relationships? And I came across this Reddit thread na babasahin natin siya. This was just posted 3 months ago.
Oh, okay.
So the question posted here is, what's your secret form of revenge when your spouse hurts you?
So ito yung mga pailalim na hindi kailangan malaman ng
Very
iba.
passive-aggressive to. Very passive-aggressive.
Very, pag walang nakatingin.
Yan.
Okay.
So ang number
Oh my
one dito, I will
gosh.
just categorize all the answers, no? Kasi,
This is why marriage terrifies me.
totoo. Kasi may theme naman. Number 1 is silent treatment. Yan. Mga babae nagsagot nun. Very normal, very
Okay.
common.
Yeah.
And I think I can be like that. Pero okay, in my defense, when I give the cold shoulder, it's because I'm trying to regulate. Parang baka kung ano pa masabi ko.
Okay.
Alam mo yun, kasi pwede ako magsabi ng mga hurtful na words.
Pero pwede rin kasing cold treatment ka, tapos in your head, it's justified na, hindi, baka may masabi ako, pero gusto mo rin na hinahabol-habol ka na parang, sabihin mo na, ba't di mo pwedeng sabihin na, I just need time. Kailangan talaga silent.
Hindi, kaya nga I have that tendency. It's just a tendency.
Is
that
it?
happens in
Is
real
it?
life sometimes.
Is it just a tendency? Sorry. Okay.
Pero gets mo yon yung cold shoulder. Gets ko yun eh. Pakiramdaman mo kung anong mali. Ganyan.
Ganun. The girl
Diba?
is girling.
I know.
Baby girl. Baby girl.
Ito pa.
Okay.
Meron dito. Ito, natatawa ako. Revenge shopping daw. Gamit yung credit card
my
ng asawa
gosh.
nila. I think I also have that tendency.
Actually, ikaw ata lahat sumagot dito. Grabe yon. Ito kasi nga yung point na it's so justifiable because, sinaktan naman ako eh. She started it. Pwedeng ganun eh, yung, siya yung nag-instigate or, kasi ginanto niya ako, kaya ito yon.
Oo.
Ito yung
kapalit.
response. Oo.
Just to even out, parang balancing the scales, kumbaga.
But, sige, babasa pa tayo. Mamaya na akong bigyan
Mamaya
ng
ka na
insights.
chumika.
Okay.
Ito sobrang wild naman. May kilala ako na nag-cheat kapag gustong mag-get back sa spouse.
Oh, wow.
That is crazy.
Wow.
Kung ganun lang din,
Hardcore.
parang hiwalay na lang kaya
Oo,
kayo.
maghiwalay na lang kayo.
Diba? I don't know, man. Am I just so idealistic about marriage? Kasi in my head, parang just talk it out. Like, talk everything out. But then
Yeah,
again,
you're so idealistic
but then
for
again,
sure.
you read stuff like this and
Hindi,
you're
kasi
like,
inisip ko, if you
whoa.
can say that couples can talk it out, but some conversations have been happening for years and years and years,
gets.
resolving nothing.
Totoo.
Diba? So, okay. Sige. Ano pa?
Ito, natawa ako dito. Ito, magugulat na lang siya na naggala kaming mag-ina at kumain sa favorite restaurant niya without him.
Very petty.
Pero
nakakainis yun na. Yung parang,
Sa kayo galing?
Oo,
Para
diba?
sa kayo?
Oo, sa kayo.
Nasa favorite restaurant, di ba? Nasa Jiangnam, nag-hotpot, gano'n. Parang, it's crazy. Okay, ito pa.
Puro silence yung nakikita ko
Ito, natawa ako dito. I sleep naked or walk around the house in my underwear.
Takamin.
Oh, correct. Para maglaway daw yung asawa niya. Tapos,
oo.
can't touch. Magkaaway tayo.
You know what? Well, first of all, kudos to that woman for having self-control.
Oo.
I mean, mamaya pag nag-pounce naman sa kanya yung husband niya, hindi rin siya makaano.
Oo nga.
Ang kulit nitong thread na to.
Ito, funny din to. Petty cleaning. Only washing your clothes, doing your own dishes. Di mo Ganyan
Vacuuming
tayo
your
pag nag-aaway
pag
tayo
nag-aaway,
eh.
mag-isa ka.
Oo. Yung gagawin yung chores
Mag-isa ka.
for us both.
Oh my gosh.
Gawin mo yan.
Ikaw, anong petty
mag-isa.
revenge mo sa akin pag naiinis ka sa akin?
Kinukuha ko yung snacks mo sa kwarto mo. Ginagamit ko yung mga, gamit mo. Ganyan. Nagnanakaw ako ng gamit sa backstocks mo. Wow, ang dami ko nang sinabi.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo to get back at me?
To get back at you?
Oo.
Hindi
Di
kita
mo ako
invite.
sinasama.
Hindi kita sasama!
alam ko yung magtatanong. Saan ka pupunta?
Mag-isa ka.
Kami lang ni Lou. Okay. Sige. Enjoy kayo.
Oh my gosh, we know each other too well. But thanks for putting it
Don't
out
lock
there.
your room. I can pick it. I can pick the lock.
Kaya pala parang iisip ko, ba't
Uy, grabe, hindi naman madami. Konti-konti lang
ngayon,
ako kumuha.
ngayon, gaganyan. Ngayon, aatras. Ngayon, kakambyo ka. Samantalang, nakita ko yung, kaya pala may wala akong snacks, walang yaka. Inisip ko din sa araw pa. Talang pa yung, pero okay lang. Sige, we can share the calories.
Okay, so this is crazy. I mean, in my head, like, I don't know, can't you talk it out?
Well, can't we talk it out? Here we are with our petty
Oo nga.
revenge.
I guess
Duh.
revenge kasi is like, your own satisfaction. Yung
Oo,
parang,
yung,
nakaisa ako.
Oo.
Just to even it out.
Pero ito, petty to. Merong mga mas intense.
Petty to. Merong mas intense na revenge mode.
Okay, are you ready?
Sige, ikaw.
To hear
ano yung
this one?
revenge story mo?
So, my
Here.
good Gen Z bestie. Pwede pala maging besties ang millennial and Gen Z.
Oo naman.
So,
Ikaw nga, may friends kang, Gen Xers eh.
oo nga, true. Kaya sinasabi ko nga I'm affirming it. Okay, so itong si Gen Z bestie, Jewel, sent me this screenshot of someone unloading on Reddit, which is very common, of course. The anonymity of people will
Yeah.
really, unearth a lot of issues and allow them to post it online. So ito, sa Tita Talks PH, an anonymous member posted just hours ago.
Sorry, this is not Reddit. I think this is Facebook.
Oh, Facebook. Okay. Pero naka-anonymous member siya. Okay. My long-term boyfriend cheated, so I took 70,000 pesos na loan from S loan. Ano yung S loan?
Shopee.
Shopee loan and transferred to my account. Okay, that's the header. That's the header.
Okay.
And then, ito ang una niyang banat sa body copy. Before anyone can judge me, please know that I don't feel bad at all. Emoji.
Oo, sige, may
For
disclaimer.
8 years, tinrato niya ako ng maayos. Sobrang green flag. Pero meron talaga silang side na hindi mapigilan yung kakatihan, no?
Oh
Kaninang
my.
madaling araw, na-curious ako sa isang Facebook account niya. He claimed he forgot the password, but I can sense that he was changing it while nagchat-chat kami. Take note, he has this history noong 18 pa lang kami, but I gave him another chance. May history na ng kakatihan.
And na siguro may secret account. May ibang account.
Okay.
Oo.
March 15, naghahanap ng kafubu. Fubu through Instagram and Threads. Okay,
What?
naghahanap ng playmate,
Oh my
ganun.
gosh, nagpo-post siya sa threads for Fubu.
Nananawagan po, LF, looking for
Fubu.
Fubu.
So funny. Okay.
Pipick upin niya pa raw. The audacity. I don't know kung natuloy or what kasi I don't give AF anymore. I don't want to dig deeper sa part na yon because I pity him. Honestly, hindi ako naiyak sa mga nakita ko kasi after all those time na pinalampas ko yung mga hinala ko, turns out tama naman pala. As someone na maikot ang isip, a bright idea came in. Sobrang affected mental health niya ngayon because of his existing bills and loans from banks. And voila, I checked his S loan and he has 70,000 plus pesos doon. Medyo may mercy pa ako, so I punched sa 9 months option to pay.
Wait, so I'm assuming, wait. So ang nangyari, ines loan niya to her bank.
I
Pwede
guess.
pala yun kasi I don't know how to use S-loan.
So ang babayaran ngayon ni Guy, yung bank account niya.
Hindi, sa Shopee siya magbabayad. Si Shopee na yung nagbigay nung pera. Niloan nga niya eh.
Hindi pa natin
Paano
na-gets
mag-loan?
to.
Ganun yun, I feel.
Okay.
So, kasi when you take out a loan, they give you cash.
And,
So yung 70K, nakuha niya ng buo
Oo.
through S-loan.
Yun nga, tas
Pero
babayaran
yung guy
niya.
magbabayad kay Shopee.
for 9 months
for
na
9
staggered.
months to pay.
Oh my gosh. Call me evil, titas, pero I feel better nung na-transfer ko sa bank ko without his knowledge. Men are weak talaga. I'm still plotting for the next revenge. I will keep you posted. Wink.
Oh my gosh, this girl!
PS, admin, sana ma-approve ang revenge ko. Hehe. Oh my gosh, girl, kung
Wait,
sino ka
okay.
man.
I get na parang walang hiya to, di ba? Okay, ito, let's ilatag natin. I-overanalyze natin
It's
yung
time to
nangyari.
overanalyze. Okay.
Nahula ni girl si Guy
Oo.
na may secret IG, yung Facebook na isang account
Nananawagan ng
ginagamit
FUBU,
sa
Panghanap ng
pang-chicks.
FUBU, oo.
Tapos susunduin pa daw, pipick upin pa, ganyan.
Okay, and take note, may history na. So may back
Oo.
problems. Back problems. Ano ba?
Kailangan ng
Sciatica
back job.
pala to.
So nga, ano ba?
So, meron na silang history nun. So, medyo, nagbigay na naman ng chance si ate
Oo
girl.
nga, oo nga.
So, baka second, third chance niya na to.
Correct.
Okay. And then, nakita niya, so, to really like, sucker punch him in the gut, knowing na may money problems na si Guy,
Oo.
ang ginawa niya ay nagdagdag pa ng money problems kay Guy.
Correct. So, is this justified? Yun yung tanong dito eh. Saan nanggagaling yung hugot ni ate girl? Baka they're also like sexually intimate, ganyan. Also, that adds to the fear na kung sino-sino yung
Maybe.
pinuhook up nito.
Maybe.
Pasa pa niya sa akin yung sakit or whatever.
Medyo may feeling ko
Pwede
as
din
a
eh.
woman, it's not
Right.
far-fetched to have
Oo.
that train of thought.
Right.
Ang una ko reaction kasi, nung nabasa ko to kanina was, grabe, sobrang transactional na talaga ng love.
I guess. Okay.
Is it? But wait, should it be transactional?
It shouldn't. Pero when it's like this, na niloko ka,
Oh.
oo.
Hindi, kasi it defeats the purpose. Ewan
Look,
ko sa,
okay, in the
sige.
Christian world, okay, ang turo sa atin ni Lord ay to forgive 70
Pag sinapa
times
ka
7.
sa kabila,
Hindi ganun. Hindi, mali yung context niyan. Huwag mo nang simulan yan, okay? Haba pa itong usapan na to. Pero, the idea din kasi is, you know, your partner is someone na talagang kinilatis mo yung character. You know, feeling ko yun din kasi.
pero yun nga sabi niya, for 8 years, tinrato niya ako ng maayos, sobrang green flag.
Pero yun lang talaga ng chichicks on the side.
Nahuli lang niya.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
This
Oh
is
my
heavy.
gosh.
Pero
But
I
that's-
guess, trust eh.
Yeah.
Trust talaga eh. You can't love someone you don't trust. Ako naniniwala ako doon. You can't. Hindi mo siya love kung wala kang trust. Hindi mo siya pwedeng mahalin eh.
Ako wala akong tinatrust eh.
Oh,
But I love you. But I love people. Paano kung praning ka lang talaga?
you don't love people. You like them. You don't love someone you don't trust. Hindi mo nga mapagkatiwalaan eh. How can it be true love kung I can't see the full you? Diba? Yun eh. Na parang it's being fully seen, fully known,
And
and
fully loved.
fully accepted.
Yeah.
So kung sinasabi mo sa akin na hindi mo ako trust, dahil wala ka namang tinatrust, then you haven't really fully shared
Loved.
yourself. Hindi pa tapos. You haven't fully
Okay,
shared
okay.
yourself and shown the ugliest parts of you.
Oo.
For you to give people the chance to say na, you know what, Stacey? Sometimes
Yes
you're a
po.
shithead.
Yes po. Your Honor. Yes po. Wow na lang eh. No? Naging ano.
Gets mo, di ba?
I get it, yeah.
So what, di mo ako trust?
Wow!
Direct.
Nag-away pa. Hindi, yung time na parang hindi kita tinatrust is yung times na I would catch you lying also. Oh, paano yun?
Pero ano yung reason ko for lying?
Okay, wait, ang layo na. Bakit naging tayong dalawa na? Okay,
Okay,
balik
okay.
tayo dito.
Sorry,
Balik tayo
sorry.
dito sa ano. So the question is it justified to do this?
Okay.
You're wronged. You catch your boyfriend looking for FUBUs.
Oo.
You get back at him by taking money knowing na he's in a financial rut. So is this justified?
Sa akin, hindi.
Expound. Explain.
Kasi in a way, you hate this person for intentionally hurting you. And here you are doing the same.
So parang you just became
The person you hate. Oh, yun naman yun eh, diba? I think that's what distinctly separates people in our world eh. Those who will fight back with hate and
Oo.
those who will fight back with love and forgiveness.
So okay, in an ideal world, how should she have dealt with this? Ikaw, kung sino ito nangyari.
Hindi, kung totoong mahal niya, okay, syempre I'm gonna get so much flack for this because that's not women empowerment. Pero ako,
Okay.
I mean, if you're really serious about really loving this person to the core ha, nang wala kang nakukuha, you would confront and ask like, what's the main problem?
Oo nga.
If you've treated me like you're this perfect guy,
Oo nga.
shown me became the greenest flag for me, why? Kasi kunwari ikaw, tayo na lang eh.
Sige.
Mamaya na yung romance na yan. 'Di ba? It's not gonna be a perfect forgiveness. I'm sure the girl, I would have also, like, nag-retaliate din ako in a way.
Oo.
Kung ako siya. Pero, if I really, really care about the person, I would see na the cheating points to a deeper problem
Oo
eh.
nga eh.
Na it could be people-pleasing or di na pala talaga siya masaya pero he's putting on this performative boyfriend role.
Get.
Alam mo yun, because kung second chance na to, baka better nga na she just walked away. Kasi alam na nga niya na may mental health problems na tong taong to.
Oo nga eh. And I think for me naman, that's the thing with revenge kasi it's you taking matters in your own hands to give justice to yourself, right?
Oo.
And minsan,
Ma-vindicate ka.
other people naman go overboard. Parang it's so subjective. Parang to
Yeah.
me, kung sobrang vengeful kang person, baka nga to the point of fatal. Alam mo yun, parang to
Oo,
the point of
pwede.
something so dangerous na it's gonna put their lives on
At
the line.
risk,
Alam mo yun,
oo.
yung parang ang dami. Like, if you're really gonna take this revenge thing seriously. Diba? So, sino ka to give that kind of hatol to an imperfect
Justice,
person
oo.
na ikaw rin naman, di ka rin naman clean slate eh.
Oo.
Diba? Yun eh. It's all of us.
Oo.
All broken, all sinners, all falling short in some way.
Oo.
Pero now, you take things in your own hands and you feel like, ako yung magsasabi kung ano yung tama,
Tama
at mali.
kung ano yung deserves.
Ako yung
deserve
bibigay
mo.
kung ano
Oo.
yung deserve niya.
Oo.
'Di ba? So, siguro ako din, if I was put in this situation, una sa lahat,
Sige, yung totoong ikaw ah.
shucks, no, wait, no, mahanap mo yung jowa mo na naghahanap ng FUBU.
Tas multiple times.
Yun nga eh.
Tas yung mga pinili ka mukhang kamukha mo din.
Oh my gosh! Ikaw! That's crazy! That's crazy. Pero
Sige.
at most, iisipin ko yan, I will plot the revenge. I will fantasize about it, but I will not push through. And yan gagawin ko, I will take myself out of the
Ako
situation.
before I plot the revenge, I will plot the confrontation.
Ayun.
Yun, iba din yun. Yung aabangan ko siya ng ganito, kakauwi lang niya, tapos saya-saya niya.
Parang
Parang
yung simple ka pa no? Yung parang alam mo na naman yung totoo, pero kunwari wala kang alam.
Biglang, boom! Hindi, nakita mo yun, yung girl na kinonfront yung jowa niya sa gym. Tapos may dala siyang sandamakmak na screenshot.
Printed screenshots. Pinakita niya lahat.
I
Nakita
cannot.
ko rin yun.
Tapos naka-live. Tapos Facebook live niya.
Tama.
Facebook live niya.
Yun no? Like you really wanna shame the person.
Shame na. Sino ka
Na
para gawin
you're
to sa akin?
exposed.
Oo. Exposed.
Pero yun
Pero
nga,
inisip
I think-
ko, pag you judge too quickly too, or you act on impulse with your anger,
Or you jump to conclusions, di ba? Minsan, ibang-iba lang din how you interpreted something versus what actually happened
talaga, sa lagay
Hindi,
na to.
I mean, not this one, pero like, in other
Oo.
situations, right?
Pwede.
To me, yes, sure, the temptation to seek revenge is so real
Oo.
and like, it's gonna be replaying in my head. Pero kasi ang akin dyan is laging, you know what, God will avenge
Ang sa
in
akin,
His own way.
yeah.
Alam mo yon? Pag tama ka pag ikaw pa kasi yung nag-take action, nung pinagkaiba mo doon.
Oo.
Diba?
And of course, this is not to justify cheating, diba? Pero,
naman.
hurt people When men allow the little boys, the inner boys, the inner boy in them, to act and take over without really realizing the extent of their actions and how much hurt it will cause others, it's a cry for help
Yeah.
Diba? But again, you can't help those.
Who doesn't want to help themselves?
Yeah.
Oo.
Yun na lang Diba?
May iba kasing guys na masaya na sila sa pag-act out ng ganyan. And they will never confront.
Never confront.
The
Oo,
deeper
madami.
issue.
Never confront their demons and will always turn a blind eye. Pero my hope for this girl is that she doesn't generalize men this way.
Oo nga
And I also pray na she looks inward to check kung ano ba yung mga unresolved. Meron yan
Tsaka alam mo, tama ka relationships today have become so transactional.
Transaction,
Na
it's
parang-
always about the next upgrade.
And it's always about your ego. Yung maano ka lang, konting ego mo, parang instead of putting yourself in the shoes of your partner.
Diba?
Na parang ba't niya kaya nagawa yun? Like, what's really going on? Laging, binastos
Sinaktan mo ako,
Hindi you
eto
go
sa'yo, oo.
passive-aggressive route or maghihiganti ka outright.
Oo.
Diba?
Like, kasi nga, it's the temperature of relationships now is, what's in it for me? How can you serve me? How can you please me? How will you look good beside me? How can you catapult my whatever?
Oo.
Diba? Parang, how can you serve me? Pero, ewan ko, siguro, now that, I've also gone through my fair share of really bad relationships and then seeing how God also works out in our relationship with Him.
Yeah.
Mapapaisip din ako na, no, it's really Jesus pouring out Himself for us and asking, okay, how can I love you? Yun diba? Ewan ko, I can't help but also think about, parang add my Christianity in the
Ano naman?
formulation. Kasi yung definition ko ng love, ibang-iba sa,
Yan yung lens mo.
ito yung lens
Oo. Wow. Edi ikaw na.
Alam mo naman tayong mga Christians. Hindi.
Okay,
Lahat
this
tayo
one.
sinners. Kaya nga ganito nangyayari
Oo, totoo.
Ay, sorry.
O, kumalma ka. Okay, so meron akong nabasa. Ito, super classic na to. I think a lot of people have heard this story. Okay? So
okay.
ito. I wanna go through this. I wanna read it. My ex forgot to remove me as the beneficiary of his life insurance policy. I am keeping the 1 million and I don't care what others think. Okay. Yun yung title,
Instant millionarya si
Yung
ate.
story. We were together for 5 years and just got engaged when we got life insurance policies, kaya we were each other's beneficiaries. Then 6 months before the wedding, he cheated on me. Pinatawad ko kasi nahinayang ako sa 5 years and the fact na engaged na kami. Then 2 months before the wedding, he left me for the girl he cheated on me with.
Oh my gosh!
Halos mabaliw ako. I begged him to come back, begged the girl to let him go. She was in her early 20s and had her life ahead of her. I was in my 30s. Valid naman. And felt that my ex was my last chance. Sabi lang ng ex ko, tigilan ko na sila dahil hindi niya na ako mahal.
Ouch!
That was 1 year ago. I changed beneficiaries along the way and I assumed he did too. Until last week, I suddenly got news that he died. Oh
Oh my gosh!
I was shocked because it was so out of the blue, but even more shocked when days later, his sister called me and said I am still the beneficiary of his insurance policy. Thus, I will get 1 million pesos in payout. Ito yung totoong avenged.
Oh
His
my
girlfriend,
gosh.
the same girl he cheated on me with, wants me to give her the money because she's pregnant with their child and is unemployed. Honestly, I don't care. I have 1 million pesos to my name of my cheating boyfriend. He and the girl destroyed my life and they didn't care about me back then. Why should I care about them now? Buhayin mo anak mo, hindi ko kasalanan na hindi ako pinalitan as beneficiary. Boom.
Di naman revenge yan eh. Blessing.
No, but seriously, I was like, okay,
Grabe
she did
to.
not do
Oo
anything.
nga,
She
oo
did
nga.
not do anything. This girl was just sitting there. Okay, niloko siya. Tinanggap pa niya. Okay, yung unang time na nag-cheat,
Oo nga
I'm like, sige, mahal pa rin kita. 6 months before the wedding, ituloy natin. 2 months before the wedding, the guy goes, di na kita love. Dito na ako sa side chick. Bye.
Na bata, no? Na
Bye.
Gen Z, gumaganon. Gumaganon.
Oh my gosh.
Pag tinawagan.
Oh my goodness.
Be.
Okay, ang akin dito is, dude, sa'yo na pangalan eh. Now, it's really up to her. Ay, di ba? Parang she has every right to keep it.
She has every right to keep it, I'd say.
I'd say
I'd
too.
say, beneficiary ka, pangalan mo yon, identity mo yon, tinrace ka ng
Tama siya,
insurance,
hindi naman
sa'yo
niya
napunta.
kasalanan eh, na hindi siya tinanggal as beneficiary. Also,
Oo.
ang kapal nung mukha nung babaeng kabit, okay?
Oo.
Can I just say, now pa-victim ka na, buntis ako,
Oo.
wala akong trabaho,
Oo,
akin
oo,
yung 1
oo.
mil. Ulul mo, sino nagsabing sa'yo yan? Bitch! Sorry. Oh my gosh, swear jar times 2. Seriously.
Totoo. Ako,
Karma yan.
do not fault this woman.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay? This is just like, she lucked out.
Super!
She just lucked out. Wala siyang ginawang mali.
Wala siyang mali.
Wala siyang
Totoo,
ginawang mali.
wala. Honestly,
I will defend this lady. This is not, wow, I mean, what a situation. Grabe din talaga, you reap what you sow. You reap what you sow. I believe in that biblical principle na kung ano ang iyong tinanim, yun
Siya
ang
aanihin.
aanihin. Kung nagtanim ka ng masamang loob, ano yun? Masamang loob. Nagtanim ka ng sama ng loob sa buhay ng ibang tao. Ngayon, ikaw naman, masama loob mo na ganyan
Namatay nga
nangyayari
siya eh.
sa'yo. De, yung
Ay, yung babae. Oh my gosh. He died. That's the consequence. He died. That's the lesson here. Cheaters die.
Stacy!
Joke lang.
Pero
Dahil
grabe.
pang
Tapos
buhay
tinan
na
mo yung
cheaters.
pangalan niya, bigay nyo na sa akin to.
Iyo na sis.
Yun yung username niya. Bigay nyo na sa akin to.
Ang
Well,
ganda nung story. Like, wow. What a crazy story.
Grabe
Diba?
to.
Ang dami. Parang siyang Bollywood almost. Like, bam. It's crazy.
Parang K-drama.
Parang K-drama.
World
eh.
of the Married, ganun. But I
I'd
can only
say-
imagine, like, the pain of this woman na, tinan mo, nagbeg. Alam mo yun? Tapos yung lalaki pa yung may...
Pero you know
ka
what?
na-
I think we can both agree that acting on your desire for revenge is also a sign of immaturity in a relationship. Diba? If you're really in a relationship and you want that relationship to grow, and, diba, parang tama ka eh, kung transactional lens ka talaga, ganyan mangyayari.
Scoreboard, ganun.
Puro ego, puro ano. Pero if you're really in a relationship with unconditional love and,
Openness,
openness,
trust.
and you both want to be better naman,
Oo.
then there's a lot of forgiveness that needs to happen. From you, from your partner, yun talaga eh. Yun nga yung sabi ni Jordan Peterson na the way to see if a relationship is gonna last is how you resolve fights. It's not your compatibility. Values, sige, that's part of it, shared values. Because you're gonna have hundreds of thousands of fights.
Sinabi to sa akin ni Jim Paredes na conflict in marriage will teach you to look for the spoon even if there are like 1,000 forks available. Diba? Na parang you have to look for that one reason. Gets mo ba yung metaphor?
Sige, explain mo na lang.
Parang naiinis ka na. Hanapin mo talaga yung one reason to stay. Yun eh.
Yun kasi parang one reason to leave eh.
And you're like,
Diba?
I'm done.
I'm out.
Diba? Kadiri.
And I think, the fault of this generation is we are not taking our sweet, sweet time in getting to know people. We jump in, from dating a few times, we jump into the relationship, and then dun lalabas lahat ng red flags, and you're like, hala, bakit ganito? Because you rushed into it. To me, ideally, I'm also talking
Oh,
to
sige,
myself.
kausapin mo sarili mo, madam.
Ideally, like, you really take your time and, establish friendship. Walang masama sa long ligawan, long
Oo.
dating. 'Di ba ngayon kasi 2 months
Impulse.
lang, rock na eh. Yeah. Ako yun.
Galing talaga natin mandakdak eh, pero...
I know what not to do because I do what not to be done. Sobrang bobo.
Because you do what shouldn't be done.
Yes.
Well,
So I know what not
not to do.
anymore.
Stop,
Sa susunod,
Zip it.
Yeah.
Zip it. Yeah. And sabi nga ni Tim Keller, if you're ready to die to yourself, get married. Yun talaga
I
yun
guess
eh.
I will not.
For love to really be love, there has to be sacrifice.
Oh yeah.
It can't be easy. It can't be what I get from it. It can't be all about what I want.
Yeah.
Di siya love eh.
It has to be serving the other.
Oo eh, service, di ba? Yun. So, ang conclusion mo, anong conclusion mo sa revenge? On the whole, topic, mga chinika natin today, anong,
Sinabi ko na, ayun na nga eh.
ayun na ba yun?
Oo.
Okay. Ako naman, inisip ko, it's a true, hindi siya appetite eh, pero, anong tawag doon?
It's very human.
Diba? That kind of desire. Revenge points to our
Wanting
desire
justice.
for justice.
Oo,
Which is
totoo.
not necessarily bad. You wanna even out the scale.
Yeah.
You wanna, ginawa to sa
Wala
akin.
namang masama.
Parang hindi.
Ay.
Hindi lumabas din. Dami mong sinabi about revenge.
Sorry. Sobrang.
Dami mong sinabi about revenge. Wala namang palang masama.
Hindi. Mali. Scrap. Continue. I'm sorry. I'll shut up.
Okay, so ang point ko, tuloy na wala yung train of thought ko. Ang galing-galing na eh. Joke. Wala namang masama. Wanting to have justice. Kasi, di ba, totoo naman. Saktan ka, nadurog ka, binastos ka, di inisip yung pagkatao mo, yung dignidad mo.
Yes, sis. Yes.
Diba? So, along those lines, yes, it's valid to seek for justice. But I guess the danger there is when you take justice into your own hands. Okay, balikan natin yung movie na pinanood. So, my sister likes to watch Asian movies and lagi niyang sinasabi na, no phones allowed, you have to watch this,
Focus.
serious, focus.
Focus.
Sobrang ganda nito, ganyan. So, may pinanood siya sa aking movie. Pagod na pagod ako, yung context lang, pagod ako nung araw na yon. And she was like, you just have to watch, unwind with me, ganun pa siya. Let's just, watch a movie. Okay, sige, let's watch a movie. Pinanood niya sa akin, Old Boy. Okay, alam mo ba yung movie na Old
Ang
Boy?
ganda ng Old Boy.
Wala kang karapatan.
Ay, sorry.
Airtime ko to.
Sorry.
Pinanood niya sa akin yung Old Boy na napakalupit na revenge movie pala. And it's so dark. Yung tipong, nung na-reveal na yung kwento, I'm like, how can you tell me to rest and unwind? Kung ganito, as in, para akong sinapak sa chan kind of feeling. Alam mo
Yeah.
yung mga ganong movie na,
Ang
wow,
bigat,
that's
ang bigat.
so heavy. And it's a revenge movie. I don't want to reveal the plot, but let's just say, sumobrang OA yung revenge.
Oo,
I
yun.
don't
That's
think
an
he
example
deserved
of-
it.
Oo, me too.
Pero dahil yung nag-revenge thinks in his right...
Kasi yun yung context nung pagpapahiya sa kanya eh. So,
Oo,
in-apply
kaya
niya
in-apply
doon.
niya doon. Pero sa akin, man, how can you... That was like a 30% kind of punch. Binigyan mo siya ng 3,000,
Oo
dude.
nga eh.
Yun, kaya revenge may all be justifiable. I've thought of my revenge plots na
Oh, yeah,
sa
ako
mga
rin.
taong, alam mo na, nang aano eh. Gusto mo ring anuhin. But at the end of the day, I really want to encourage people na justice will be served. I mean,
It may not be here
it may
on
not
this-
be on...
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw na kaya mag-conclude. I-conclude mo na yan, i-conclude
sige.
ko.
It may not be on this earth, but justice will be served ultimately
Yeah.
when God comes back.
Amen. Amen. Raise the roof.
So, yun lang naman yung kuda namin today
About
about
revenge. Yun lang naman.
Ano daw thoughts natin sa nag-cheat, pinatawad, nag-cheat ulit.
Ako, I believe in second chances.
Ako rin. But
Niniwala
not
ako
third.
dyan. But third, okay,
Fool me once, shame on you.
Fool me twice, shame on me.
I'd forgive once.
Once is
lang.
enough. Once is enough.
God says forgive. Pwede ba naman yung context ng cheating?
Hindi, kasi hindi naman ako si Jesus. I mean, come on, guys. Hindi naman ako only forgiveness. Hindi, sabi nga, 70 times 7.
Pero in the context of adultery, di ba?
Ay, hindi. I think that's you protecting your sanity and knowing
Yeah.
your limitations and wanting a healthy relationship. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
If a person commits that mistake of cheating on you and then you're able to resolve it and work through it, great.
Oo.
Pero kung
ako,
ano pala siya, pattern
kung
in
umulit
behavior,
pa, the
bitaw
second
na.
time, let go.
Let go
Pero
na yan.
yung, di ba, and yung iba sasabihin na, yan kasi pinatawad mo pa nung una, niloko ka tuloy. Di mo naman malalaman yun eh.
Oo,
until you
oo.
give that chance.
Oo. So,
That's it.
peace out.
Thanks for
Thanks for
watching!
watching!